Hey guys, this is me. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix your laptop's keyboard by simply using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, what you need to do is to go to ChatGPT and just type this prompt. Okay, I'll enter this prompt in the description below. And then ask any questions. Like in my keyboard right now, the key ZXCT are not working. So I'm going to ask who was the first president of State of United America. So as you can see that who was the first president of the United States of America. It's just fixing my prompt and giving me the appropriate prompt. Let's do one more example. When was World War First and who won it? And when was World War Two? So when was World War One and who won it? And when was World War Two? So you can see that ChatGPT is capable of fixing your prompt, but it is not the ultimate fix. Ultimate fix is to repair your or change your key. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.